G'day, I'm James from Commodore Solar, and today I'm going to give you a run through our latest container project. Our initial conversation was with a project manager who was looking to power a complete facility, including a crib, offices, an ice room and toilet block. Rather than going down the traditional path of powering the site from a generator, he was exploring hybrid solar options to significantly reduce their generator runtime. Factors that were of particular importance were design and engineering. They really needed to have confidence that a solution would deliver the performance that they had envisaged. Another key factor in their decision making was our ability to supply and install in the Pilbara. The logistics executing a project like this are significant. The ability to support the system through remote monitoring and technical support was paramount. We pride ourselves on lifetime support, knowing the peace of mind that it gives our customers when they can get an answer to any question that they can think of to do with the system. To run the site solely from a generator, the annual running cost was $182,000 per year. Now with the Commodore hybrid solution, it was going to reduce down to $65,000 per year. That's a whopping saving of $117,000 per year. There is also a significant reduction in carbon, so from 99 tonnes annually with the generator down to 21 tonnes with the Commodore solution. Over a 10-year period, that's a saving of 780 tonnes of carbon. Now this solution includes 90 kVA of inverter power, 280 kilowatt hours of batteries, 89 kilowatt of ground mounted solar, a 165 kVA generator and an 11,000 litre bunded fuel tank. The reliability of the facility's power is now twice as reliable compared to if it was run solely from a generator, as we've got a super reliable off-grid system and has a backup generator there for redundancy as well as charging power and peak power. We have access to every brand on the market, but we choose to build our off-grid systems with Victron. Victron is a Dutch company that's been at the forefront of off-grid technology for 50 odd years now. Their transformer-based inverters are super powerful and reliable. Now you can see in the background here, we've got 6 Victron Quattro 15 kVA inverters, and throughout the container we've also got smart solar MPPTs to DC couple much of the solar, so it's going to convert the solar power into DC. And there's also a Serbo GX, which is a brains unit of the Victron. That's my favourite part of the Victron, and that allows seamless communication between the whole container. That brings together the inverter, the solar, the batteries, the generator, and many other parts of the system that can be incorporated as well. We've worked with many types of lithium batteries over the years, many of which were good, but none as good as Pylontech. Pylontech batteries are manufactured with lithium iron phosphate chemistry, which has been proven to be super robust and safe. Each Pylontech battery is rated for 6,000 to 8,000 discharge cycles, down to 90% depth of discharge, which is good for 15 years of continuous daily use. Founded in 2009, Pylontech have been around long enough to be able to provide true performance and longevity data. There are many companies popping up like mushrooms after the rain that are offering exaggerated specs and warranties. We lean strongly towards proven brands that have runs on the board. Temperature control is always important, but it is especially critical when a system like this is going into one of the hottest parts of Australia. The power output from the inverter and the batteries drops significantly when they get too hot, not to mention the longevity, which also reduces significantly. The equipment lives a long and happy life when it's cool, which is why this container is temperature controlled with a split system air conditioner, plus the container is insulated to retain as much of that cool air as possible. Finished inside and outside with heavy duty Raptor paint for superior durability and protection, ensuring the system stands up to harsh environmental conditions for the long haul. Our solution is tailored to isolate data from external communication, instead feeding data into the customer's local SCADA network, which maintains their communications protocol. If you're currently running a generator full-time and would like a return on investment report provided, we'll be more than happy to generate a no obligation report for you. We're always happy to help.